Welcome to our channel. If you're an artisan looking to verify your Amazon Handmade account and start selling your handcrafted products, follow these comprehensive step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit sellercentral.amazon.com and log in using your Amazon account credentials. If you don't have a seller account, you'll need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to the Amazon Handmade application section and complete the initial application form, providing details about yourself and the handmade products you create. Step 3. Provide detailed information about your craft, including your crafting process, materials used, and how your products are truly handmade rather than mass-produced. Step 4. Upload photos of your workspace, works in progress, and finished products to demonstrate that you personally create your handmade items. Clear photos help verify authenticity. Step 5. Answer questions about your product categories, production methods, and whether you work alone or with a small team. Amazon Handmade has specific criteria for artisans. Step 6. Provide your business information, including your legal business name or personal name, if operating as a sole proprietor, business address, and tax identification number. Step 7. Complete the identity verification process by uploading a government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Ensure all information is clear and readable. Step 8. Set up your bank account information for receiving payments by entering your bank account and routing numbers. The account must be in your name or business name. Step 9. Wait for Amazon Handmade to review your application. The review process can take several days to a few weeks as Amazon manually reviews each artisan application for authenticity. Step 10. Check your email regularly for updates from Amazon Handmade. Once approved, you'll receive instructions on how to set up your handmade storefront and list your first products. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.